Top 5 AI tools that will make you look like a tech genius, even if you're not. Hey nerds and technophobes! Welcome back to Tech Too Fast, where we explain tech trends before your parents even know what internet means. Today's topic is so hot, it will make your processor overheat. AI tools. You know, those fancy robots that can do everything except your laundry. People are using these things left and right. But let's face it, most tech explanations are drier than the Pop-Tart left in the desert. Fear not, we're here to break it down in a way that will have you throwing shade at Siri like yesterday's news. So, here we go. Number 1. ChatGPT, your new BFF, except way more helpful. Imagine a chatty Cathy who can write like Shakespeare, code like a boss, and solve problems faster than you can say procrastination. That's ChatGPT, folks. It's basically a superpowered Google search that actually gets you. Need a customer service representative who won't make you want to tear your hair out? ChatGPT's your guy, or gal, or non-binary pal. I'm not sure, but whatever. Number 2. Mid-Journey. Turn your doodles into Da Vinci masterpieces. Without the whole starving artist thing. You ever wish you could draw something cooler than a stick figure? Well, step aside, Picasso, because Mid-Journey is here to turn your wildest text prompts into stunning images. We're talking about photorealistic landscapes, creepy abstract art, anything your imagination, or lack thereof, can conjure. Basically, impress your friends with your quote-unquote art you totally didn't steal from the internet. Number 3. Runway. Editing videos with the power of your mind. Or at least your fingers typing. Remember those quote-unquote special effects you used in middle school with Windows Movie Maker? Yes, this is about to blow your mind. Runway lets you edit videos with just text prompts. Want to add fire-breathing dragons? Done. Need to remove that embarrassing sneeze? Poof! Gone like yesterday's news. So, ditch the complicated editing software and unleash your inner George Lucas. The next AI tool is going to arouse your interest, more especially if you are a vlogger, audio editor, video editor, or someone who simply loves editing audios and videos. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. And hey, share this video with your friends so they'll be informed of the latest AI tools. Alright, back to the show. Number 4. Descript. Editing audio and video like a ninja, but without throwing stars. Descript is basically magic for audio and video editing. It transcribes everything like a super-powered court stenographer, then lets you edit like a fancy text document. No more wrestling with complex editing software. Just cut, paste, and boom! You're a pro. Plus, it can even fix your voiceovers if you accidentally sound like a chipmunk on helium. Number 5. Copy.ai. Write like a rock star. without the rockstar tantrums. Struggling to write a catchy social media post that won't make your grandma cringe? Copy.ai is your knight in shining armor, or should we say, keyboard warrior? This AI whiz can churn out blog posts, product descriptions, ad copy, basically anything that requires words that don't sound like they came from a caveman. Consider it your own personal copywriting robot army, ready to fight writer's block 24/7. So, there you have it. These AI tools are like having a personal tech assistant on steroids. They'll make you look smarter, faster, and way cooler than you actually are. Don't worry, your secrets are safe with us. Now, get out there and conquer the tech world. Just remember, with great power comes great responsibility and the potential to become a lazy bum. But hey, we won't judge. Until next time, stay curious, and for crying out loud, stop using Comic Sans. See you on the next Tech Too Fast episode.